Maititi vatenda zvikuru Cat Family for love yavakashowa uye nemama celebrities akakwanisa kuenda kurufu rwababa vavo. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Vati ivo havana kumboziva kuti Facebook unobvisirwa chema, especially vari baba vako vaisatomboita zve-social media zvacho. Kana ndee ndichingoti it's entertainment. Rufu ndaingoti nderwemhuri yangu chete, tinozvionera, asi Cat Family makabvisa chema yakasvika nezuro. Ndakatumirwa maconfirmation naTom Jones, Miss Blue naRaw Money. Vakanditi mafans enyu akabisa, handina hangu kupiwa list remazita kuti ndikutendei, asi Mwari ngaakukomborerei neipo pamakabvisa. Wese akabvisa, may your cup never run dry. Raw Money naTom Jones vakaita faithful naMiss Blue kumeka sure kuti mari yasvika. Zvazvichityiwa neCat Family kuti mari inozodisappear isina kusvika. Handizvo guys, makaratidza rudo munodadisa zvachose maZimbabweans. Okay, so Cat Family is not just zvimafamily zvimwe zviya munongoiziya. Cat Family is a movement. We move. Ndo zviri kutaurwa nemafans acho. Your fans love you so much. I witnessed it. Thank you, Cat Family, and everyone who supported Fairly and the family. I support the team I worked with very peacefully. No noise. Ndi Raw Money uyo ari kutaura mashoko iwayo. Pane vari kuti we love you. Your strength during this difficult time is truly inspiring. We are all here for you, mighty, and it's an honor to stand with you in this moment. May your father rest in peace, and may you find comfort in the love and support surrounding you. So dzimunguva unongoti kuti hatiri kuentertainana tichingotukana but usingatozivi kuti aiwa you have a movement, vanhu vanotokutevera uye people admire you and they love you. Okay, so vazotenda zvakare Dr. Bwanya. Apostle Dr. Bwanya, thank you so very much for being there for your sister in all times. Not only are you a woman of God, you are my mom. Thank you for giving your Bamkuru a beautiful send-off. God bless you. Apostle Murata, thank you very much for being there for your brother in his journey. Words cannot express how I feel. Both families have shown us the power of unity. Everything was peacefully done. We learn how to love each other through you guys. As siblings as well, because of you guys, I support you. So I salute you. So Vamurata ava muningina wa mkoma edi na mai Bwanya vanogara kutukwa naKetina vaya vakaratidza rudo. Pakataurwa zvakare nyaya yemubhedha uya watambotaura kuti vakatenga mubhedha waidiwa kuti vagone kureclina kana kuti kustretcha whichever way kuti vagone kufeedwa zvakanaka zvakatendwa chero nagogo nezuro. Love conquers all. Divided you fall. Having elders in the family that spread love, not hate, for the sake of the generations to come. Love is the legacy no one can take away. Love wins all the time, and may you remain blessed. Say family Rambai Makabatana. You come from an organized family, my shushu, that should give you comfort. It was a beautiful send off. Takazvionera tega kurongeka kwanga kwakaita ku funeral kwakusina drama, kwakune peace yakanyanyisa zvachose. Zvinova zvinhu zvinodadisa. Vanhu vekwamurata makamira mese. Kozotiwo vatenda zvakare Prophetess Matimbire, Maiji Limba, Matthias Mere, Dorcas Moyo, Batsirai Shasha, Derek Mpofu, Prince Chiguida, vabati vaJehovha, Joseph Tivafire, Agatha Murudzwa. Slept the whole night singing for my father. Thank you Mwari wekudenga akukomborerei mushumiri wenyu. So avo ndove vamwe vakaenda. Dorcas Moyo ari kuti aiwa, we are a family sisi. Be blessed and comforted. Love you. Lots blessings to you, my TT. To everyone who came to support in the Maiji Limba Avo, the Murata family during this difficult time, we want to express our deepest gratitude. Your presence and kindness brought much needed comfort. We continue to pray that Mrs. Fairly and her family find strength and peace in God's love during this challenging time. Thank you for being there. Tom Jones ndokunyorawo kuti makaita basa zvokwadi nekuratidza rudo rwakadai. Havangakoni kakukanda 1 or 2 words sasekuru the Cat family. Thank you so much vazodziwa vamwari. Ndimi makadanwa mukadavira makadanirwa ushumiri hwevhangeri. Kwazotendwa zvakare isusu kavanga vari online, guys. For me to mention you individually, my online family, it might affect someone who was there and I did not notice. But thank you all for coming. Some were there virtually, some physically. May God bless you for taking your time coming to celebrate the life of my dad. So, ndizvozvo, guys, we will always stand with you. Ndizvozvo, celebrate red. We thank God for everything. What a beautiful, befitting send of the funeral. We are family, my titi. You did a beautiful ceremony to bid Sekuru Murata a farewell. I am sure wherever he is honored to have you as his daughter. May his soul continue to rest in peace. True, my titi, you are more than welcome, my favorite person, Mura. We love you so much. We die hard, Cat family. I pray to God to give you strength. Statement Ravaisa, an official statement. Vati Ivo, thank you. I would love to express my heartfelt thanks to everyone who joined us to mourn my father's passing. Your presence, whether in person, online, or in spirit, provided immense comfort. A special thank you to the Murata family for standing together in unity as always. I am deeply grateful to everyone who contributed to the final arrangements and to all the churches, companies, and members of entertainment industry for their support. Last but not least, my online family, Cat family, your consistent support has been a great source of strength. As my father rests with the Lord, let us remember that we are on this journey together. Thank you for your love and support. Warm regards, my titi. So, ndo mashoko avataura like the official statement. Vamwe vangoti icho chine zodzo. I cried so much yesterday, but as a Christian, I was so happy in the way Baba's life was celebrated. 5 ministers of God present. That what more could you have asked for? Your family is God sent, and we ever coordinated everything from Sunday. Hi, Tinotenda Siyabonga. Special thanks to my Boanya. She made sure we watched everything. My titi, my heart goes out to you and your family. Your father's legacy will live on through the impact he had on those around him. Thank you for sharing your gratitude with us, and please know that we will continue to support you through this difficult time. Your strength and resilience are inspiring. May your father rest in peace and may you find comfort in the Lord. My netizens anogona chirungu. But nyaya iripo ndiyoyo, guys, matendwa zvakanyanyisa for being there during her time of need. But the journey does not end now. Ndo patotangira nyaya yacho izvezvi. She still needs the support that people can give. Vanoda kubvisa ari masters wo kana vaita live, vanoda kuvapo just when she wants to rant, just to listen to whatever, then let people do so. Nekuti kana vanhu vese vaenda ndo paunotanga kupinda pafuneral uri one, guys. Zvakatooma. But anyway, we just want to thank Cat family zvamaita zvinodadisa. In as much as vebitterness vangu achitaura this and that, please musabvise, guys. We are people first before we are bitter, before we are cats and snakes and anything that you can think of. We are people first. And the beauty of all this, the greatest news is we are Zimbabwe.